And good Sunday morning, everybody. Yesterday, very, very hot across the Houston area. Today, we are going to see the exact same thing. Yesterday's high temperatures, 96 at both major airports, 97 in Tomball, 97 in Conroe, and in Huntsville, College Station, Brenham, even 91 degrees down there on Galveston Island. If you remember back to yesterday, we had big thunderstorms that blew up with a lot of heat energy. We could see the exact same thing this afternoon. If you don't get wet, we're going to be contending with the heat. So here's some heat reminders, especially for our furry friends. You know, if you're hot, they are hot too. Hot concrete equals hot pads, so certainly watch out for that. Give them lots and lots of water, provide shade when possible, and keep them indoors if you do allow them inside your house. We are stuck between two areas of high pressure, one to the west, one to the east, and in between the two, you get a lot of rising motion, and that means that we are going to continue to stay unsettled heading into today and heading into most of this coming week. So we're going to have an afternoon chance of thunderstorms each and every day, it looks like, for the next couple of days. Here's the way things shape up. 6:15 this morning, we're starting off, but notice here, a few scattered showers beginning to blow up here as we head into the 1 o'clock hour this afternoon. Bigger thunderstorms off to the east. May slip down into the Houston area heading into the afternoon hours, very much like what we saw yesterday. So keep that in mind. Keep the umbrellas handy because you may need them heading into the afternoon hours today. So this morning, you're starting off nice and quiet, but again, showers and thunderstorms expected heading into the afternoon hours. 12:30, we're at 93 at Bush, 91 at Hobby, 87 in Conroe, 94 in College Station. And then we see the rain-cooled air starting to come in here by 3:30. We're at 77 in Conroe, 87 at Bush, but still holding on to those low to mid-90s in our southwest zones, cooling down into the lower 80s into the upper 70s tomorrow evening. As far as the heat indices go, by the noon hour, we're already flirting with the hundreds out to the west. Most of us should see 100 before the rain moves in later on this afternoon, and you'll see the yellows beginning to pop up here, indicating cooler air developing across southeast Texas. So your forecast: 40% chance of storms today, 30% chance heading into tomorrow, 30%, and then dropping to 20% heading into next weekend as the temperatures are back up in those mid to upper 90s. We could see our hottest temperatures of the year so far by the time we get to next Friday. We'll have another update coming up this evening.